All right, guys, so let me show you 4 things about IPX, which is the Influencer Profits extension. It is free to use. Now, the first thing is you're going to want to install it. So you're going to go to the link in this post or below the video. And once you have it installed, you will go up to your top right in Google Chrome, click on that puzzle piece. And from that puzzle piece, you're going to see IPX. You're going to want to make sure that the pin is blue. By pinning it, that means it's going to show up in your taskbar or the nav bar up at the very top. You're going to want to be able to access the extension every day because when you open the extension, it's going to give you quick links. So if you want to get to your stats, if you want to get to your Amazon store or your Creator Hub, these are going to be quick links. So now you're not going to have to bookmark. They're already there for you to use. The next thing you're going to want to do is click on the settings icon, top right, and you're going to want to make sure your storefront ID that there is something there, that it is populated. If it is not, click the refresh button here on the right. That'll resync and make sure that you have the correct storefront ID. What this does is it allows us to figure out if your videos are showing in the carousel. If this is blank, you will see red nones on your Creator Hub page. So if you click these 3 bars here and you go to your Creator Hub page, it'll look something similar to this. You're going to be able to see here we've added 2 columns to your Creator Hub. And you can see that it says placement by IPX. Now that means you're using the extension. Now on the left side, you can see that my video is showing in the lower carousel. And then on this one, it is in the upper carousel. This particular product is not showing, and so on and so forth. And we can scroll down and you can see that this video is in both the top and bottom carousel. So this is great information. The next thing is you're going to see Amazon sold. This is the sales data that's letting you know how many of this product is being sold every month on the product page. So this particular product is selling around 3,000 units a month. This one is selling about 50. Now, if you see a blank, that's not a mistake. That's just saying that Amazon doesn't have enough sales data to give to us. So it's blank. That means the product is either new or it just really isn't selling. So you can pretty much ignore that. So that's the main thing and the main features that is present in this new IPX. Now you can also go to a specific product page. And if you click on any of these placements, that'll take you to the product page. So let's go ahead and click on this one, and this will open up the product page. And at the very top, you're going to see a table present itself. Now you got to allow the page to load, then the extension will kick in and it'll read all of the data from this page. You can see here that it's getting product data, and then it presents this table to you. Now there's a lot of cool features here that you're going to want to explore. The first thing is it's telling me that my video is in the top video carousel in this column here. And it has a Y for yes, green and Y for yes. So my video is in the top carousel. My video is also in the bottom carousel. You can see that. So if you go to any product page, you're going to get this table. Now on the left-hand side, the ASIN, when you're tagging products, if you click on that, it's going to copy that to the clipboard. So when you're uploading a video to Creator Hub and you want to tag that video, you're going to just use the ASIN. That's going to be the most accurate way to tag your products. Now the next thing is we've also moved this to the top. We're letting you know that, hey, 3,000 of these products are selling per month. So that's a high volume product, and it's probably something you might want to review. Okay, so if we take a look at the far right table, what we've done is we've moved up the BSR, so the bestseller ranks. So we're letting you know that this product is number 36 in this category and number 612 in this category. Now those are clickable, so you can actually go to those categories and research additional products that you might want to review. But I also moved the reviews up. Now this is important because it shows you review velocity, okay? So this is telling us that of the top 10 reviews that they received, you can see the dates. So the last review was December 9th, the next one was December 7th, the next one was December 6th. So that will also be an indicator of how fast that this product is selling. So in addition to the sales data, you're also going to want to take a look at the review velocity. So that'll help you make a review decision and help you decide if you want to buy it. It's also telling you how many stars each review was. So if you're seeing something with a lot of 1-star reviews or 2-star reviews, it might be a product you want to avoid. So that's additional information that we've pulled from the page. We brought it to the top to help you guys make a decision if you're going to review this product. Now, another cool feature is related products. Now, if we click on related products, this is a cool research tool and it's free. So take a look. What it's going to do is it's going to grab every product that's mentioned on this product page. And I've sorted it by the review count. So we can see that this top product here has 6,935 reviews. The next one has 5,900 reviews, 3,500, so you get the point. We've also added the sales data. So you can see here that 100 of these products are being sold per month on this ASIN. Then there's 800 of this product. There's 8,000 of this product. So this is a great way to do research on products that you might want to purchase and review. So that's going to be the basics for the day 1 training. Then tomorrow I'm going to put out day 2 and we're going to go through 5 days of training on this extension so I can show you guys how to make more money using IPX.